sun is just going down. This is going to be a really good shot. Hi guys, and welcome to this new episode on Aberdeenshire. So I won't be covering the whole of Aberdeenshire. I'm just going to pick some locations from the actual coastline, I think. So starting off with Elephant Rock. Look at that, that is brilliant. It actually looks like an elephant as well. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe. Helps build it my channel itself. So my locations, Elephant Rock to start off with, where we are now, and if you're using what 3 words, here it is here. and that gives a precise location of where I am in Aberdeenshire. So my next location after this will be possibly Dunnottar Castle. Show you different perspectives, but I'm shooting in the middle of the day, so yeah. And the next one after that will be Rattray Head Lighthouse. This is the one I'm really looking forward to, because I will be doing sunset there and a sunrise tomorrow morning. So anyway, let's get on and see what images I can come up with of Elephant Rock. So welcome to the next location, guys, and listen, welcome back to all my subscribers and new subscribers, and please hit that like, subscribe to the channel and all that. But let's get on with this. And next location is Dunnottar Castle. I know what you're all saying, oh, this place has been shot to bits so many times, you know, it's been well photographed, but do you know what, it's good to come back to places like this and make your own stamp on it and revisit these places. Of course it is. I mean, blue skies today, possibly definitely a comeback here in the next couple of days while I'm here in Aberdeenshire. But my aim is, for this shoot here, I'm actually gonna work on a composition similar to the Isle of Skye lighthouse, Nice Point, where it just goes into the sea and into the horizon. So I'm after that effect here today with Dunnottar Castle, rather than the classic shot where you get the leading line straight to the castle. So I'm going to push down, get on with the shot, and you'll see the image at the end that I capture. And as always, see you next location. Hi guys, and welcome back to part 2 of Dunnottar Castle. The sky now is looking rather, not dramatic skies, but there is some depth in the clouds, and it's making a better picture than yesterday rather than the complete washout of blue sky. My settings are straightforward on the camera, 1/20th a second, f11 at ISO 100, and I'm at 35mm. And I've got, my composition is, I've got the castle here and leading that out to the sea. Straightforward. I might play with some long exposures as well down in the water down there, see how we get along. But yeah, straightforward. And I'll see you soon at the next location. See you there. Hi and welcome back, guys, and welcome to the next location. I'm excited about this next location. Let me show you what it is. Rattray Head Lighthouse. Look at that, and look at the sand dunes behind me over here. The sun is just going down. This is going to be a really good shot. I'm going to have a look around here, see what compositions I can come up with. But yeah, look at that. Hopefully this sky is going to turn nice and pink as well. We'll see. But yeah, woo, nice. See you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. So I've just banged off a couple of shots here on half a second exposure. I got 3 stop on, which given me just half a second to give me that motion in the water. But yeah, absolutely fantastic location, this Rattray Head, absolutely stunning. I've put 10 stop on, and that gave me a shutter speed of 50 seconds at f8. Yes, f8. But the colours are coming through this sky at the minute, and up here as well. And my next location, I'm just going to bang up into the sand dunes up here and get a nice big pano of this area. Fantastic area, Rattray Head. I do recommend it, especially if you get days like this. But fantastico. So I'm going to put a closure on this location, and I'll see you at next location, which is another stunner. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wow, check this out. Look at that. Natural sea arch. So, welcome to Longhaven up on the Aberdeenshire coast. Unbelievable. I never even knew this existed. So my aim here today, I'm going to push up and follow the coastline all the way around, because there's a sea stack up here and another arch that I want to get. But at the minute, I'm just firing away, getting a nice big wide angle shot of this sea arch here. Very, very pretty. You can imagine this on a dramatic day, waves crashing into it. It'd be something like a stack of frieze at the Isle of Lewis or something. But yeah, unbelievable. Who'd have thought this was here? So anyway, firing away now, just 1/25 of a second, ISO 100, circular polarizer, and nothing more on that. And it should be quite a nice image. We'll see how we go from there. But let's get going, and I'm going to push up the coast and see how we go from there. See you soon. Hi guys, and welcome back. Look at this for a location. It is absolutely fantastic. Sea arches galore. They're even behind me over here. And I'll give you what 3 words where I am on screen now. That will give you exact location of where I am. You don't need to use the app for that. You can look it up online, what 3 words. So my composition I've got at the minute, my camera set up, my dog guarding it. Is just down here. Look at this colour of this heather down here, and I've got little rock formation down there, and I've got a leading line, all of this to the sea arch itself and the horizon and dramatic clouds. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that for a view. Awesome. Listen guys, thanks for tuning in, and hope you have enjoyed these locations that I've shown you. I would like to absolutely spend more time here. You could actually spend a whole day in this location itself. But yeah, thanks again guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the images, and soon I will see you in the mountains of Scotland. Thanks again.